So this is another video blog. It's been a while, so right now I'm using the natural light. It's kind of cool. Right now I'm in the kitchen, so eventually you're gonna see my wife cooking behind me. So I'm gonna tell you about my life, how's that going, how my day went, and how my life going so far. So today I've been to the gym, I've been to work. The arcade machine that I already talked to you about, it's damaged, it's not working right now, the power supply is not working. Last week I bought a Nissan Versa Note 2015. I'm loving it so far. It's a small car, but it's kind of cool. Some of my friends kind of make fun of me because of small car, big guy, small car, but that's part of the fun, you know, like making fun of my friends that make fun of me because of having a small car. It's kind of being rebel, kind of being me, kind of mocking of the entire world, making fun of the world that's trying to make fun of me, kind of stuff. So last Sunday I've been to the library for French classes. That went very well. We have a new French speaker that she's Acadian, so she's very interested in help people that are learning her language, which is French. It's very cool. We're learning, we are practicing French, we're learning new stuff, we're learning French Canadian expressions, pronunciation, so that's going very well. We're also going to UNB. I previously mentioned that on Tuesday we are going there to learn some French. So last two Tuesdays we've not been able to go because there was one storm, and the Tuesday before that there was March break. So hopefully tomorrow, Tuesday, we're going to keep on that. So far, we've lost 4 Tuesdays. The 2 that I just mentioned, and then the first Tuesday we had a storm that day, and then the second Tuesday the teacher, he was sick. So what they're going to do is that they're going to give those classes after we finish. And one cool thing is that the teacher, he mentioned that we're going to the Videoblog Gallery, that's downtown Fredericton, which is cool because we're going to have like a French guided course out there so that we can enjoy the art and practice our French at the same time. So other cool stuff is that I have the Raspberry Pi. I made a video unboxing that Raspberry Pi. It's the new one, it's Raspberry Pi Zero, the one that has Bluetooth and has Wi-Fi and costs only $10. So I haven't plugged it in yet because I had a lot of stuff that I'm working on right now, but I will. Hopefully this week I'm gonna do that. Also, I bought a Super Nintendo controller that I plan to use with the Raspberry Pi Zero. In the meantime, I'm using it with my computer. I already downloaded the ZSNES emulator, which is a good one, and also I will download the Sega Master System emulator. Forgot the name of it, but the cool thing is that that emulator that runs Linux, Mac, Raspberry Pi, but it doesn't have the gamepad support. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add the gamepad support. I already forked that project in my GitHub account, and what happened is that they're using the Qt C++ library, but they're using an old version. Last time they've updated that project was in 2013, so it's been 4 years. So what happened is that the latest version of Qt, which is 5.8, they have a gamepad support. So what I'm going to do is just to update the Qt version that they're using it, and it's going to be quite easy just to add the gamepad support. So as Eric Raymond once said, that the good hacks come because of your personal itches. So that's kind of what's going to happen now. Like, I've downloaded that emulator, which is very good. It was created by a Spaniard guy, but I would like to play all those Sega Master System games that I used to play when I was a kid using my gamepad, because right now it works very good, but I have to use the keyboard. I would like to use the gamepad that I've just mentioned, which is the Super Nintendo controller. So it's kind of cool because I'm going to modify the code. It's open source. I'm using the Qt open source version, and I'm going to have fun playing the games with the gamepad, and at the same time I'm going to contribute to the open source community so that anyone that wants to play the Sega Master System games, they can do it without too much hassle, as it's going to be for me. So pretty much that's it for my update for today. Previously I was doing like Spanish, French, and English videos. So far I think I'm gonna stick to the English version of my videos because most of my French and Spanish speakers, they do understand English, so that's gonna save us a lot of time. So if you have any concern, if you still want me to make the French or Spanish version of my videos, or any other language that you want me to learn so that you can understand what I'm saying, you can just write that in the comments. And thank you very much for watching this video. See you next time.